Welcome to the ultimate review. Tired of smoke and heavy grease clouding up your kitchen every time you fire up your burners? Finding the best range hood for gas stove performance is essential. Let us explore the top picks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. SNDOAS 30-inch Range Hood. The SNDOAS 30-inch Range Hood is a practical option for homeowners who want reliable kitchen ventilation without taking up too much space. Its ultra-slim design makes it especially suitable for apartments, condos, and smaller kitchens where every inch of cabinet space matters. Constructed from durable 430-grade brushed stainless steel, it offers a clean, modern appearance while resisting everyday wear and remaining easy to maintain. The built-in LED lighting provides clear illumination across the cooktop, making food preparation and cooking more comfortable at any time of day. The maximum airflow of 230 CFM effectively removes smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors generated during daily meal preparation. The simple 2-speed rocker switch allows quick fan adjustments based on cooking intensity, keeping operations straightforward and user-friendly. Another advantage is its flexible installation design, supporting multiple ducting configurations, while also offering a non-ducted option when paired with a compatible recirculation filter. Built with durability and everyday convenience in mind, this model is well suited for households that cook frequently and need dependable ventilation performance while maintaining a clean, modern appearance in the kitchen. Number 2. Broan-NuTone BCSQ130SS Range Hood. The Broan-NuTone BCSQ130SS Range Hood combines strong ventilation performance with a sleek under-cabinet design that fits seamlessly into many kitchen layouts. Designed to improve air quality quickly, it features the capture system with up to 375 CFM airflow, helping remove smoke, grease, and lingering cooking odors more efficiently than many basic range hoods. Its 3-speed push-button controls make it easy to switch between ventilation levels depending on what is being cooked. The integrated LED lighting provides bright and even coverage across the cooking surface, improving visibility while also using less energy than traditional bulbs. Maintenance is simple thanks to the dual open mesh grease filters, which are dishwasher safe and designed for long-term use. Another standout feature is its installation flexibility, supporting multiple ducting configurations, while also offering a non-ducted option when paired with a compatible recirculation filter. Built with durability and everyday convenience in mind, this model is well suited for households that cook frequently and need dependable ventilation performance while maintaining a clean, modern appearance in the kitchen.
Number 3. AURAKICH 30-inch Wall Mount Range Hood. The AURAKICH 30-inch wall mount range hood is built for serious cooking environments where powerful ventilation is a priority. Equipped with a robust 380-watt full copper motor, it delivers an impressive 900 CFM airflow capable of handling heavy smoke, grease, and strong cooking odors with ease. Its premium wall-mounted design adds a professional appearance to modern kitchens while providing reliable long-term performance. One of its most innovative features is the triple control system, allowing users to operate the hood through touch controls, gesture commands, or the included remote control. This hands-free functionality is especially useful when cooking with messy or wet hands. The customizable LED lighting system further enhances the experience by offering multiple color temperatures and brightness levels, allowing users to tailor illumination to different cooking tasks. While the highest fan setting generates noticeable sound, lower speeds provide a quieter atmosphere for everyday use. Installation is made easier with the included drilling template and protective film. Overall, this range hood offers an excellent combination of power, advanced controls, and premium features for demanding kitchens. Number 4. VIKIO HOME 30-inch Wall Mount Range Hood. The VIKIO HOME 30-inch wall mount range hood delivers a balance of strong airflow, quiet operation, and modern styling that makes it a compelling choice for contemporary kitchens. Featuring a dual intake motor design, it increases airflow efficiency and produces up to 580 CFM of ventilation power, helping clear smoke, grease, and cooking odors effectively. The brushed stainless steel construction and elegant pyramid design create a sophisticated appearance that complements a wide range of kitchen decors. One of its most appealing qualities is its low operating noise, producing as little as 40 dBA on lower settings while maintaining effective performance. The intelligent delay off function is another practical addition, allowing the hood to continue running after cooking to remove remaining steam and odors automatically. Maintenance is simple, thanks to the removable dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters that help keep grease buildup under control. Bright LED lighting improves visibility over the cooking area while reducing energy consumption. With strong performance, user-friendly features, and a refined design, this model is a versatile solution for many home kitchens.
Number 5. AMZCHEF 30-inch Under Cabinet Range Hood. The AMZCHEF 30-inch Under Cabinet Range Hood is designed for homeowners seeking modern convenience, effective ventilation, and a streamlined appearance. Built from durable 430 stainless steel, the hood maintains its shape over time while helping protect internal components from grease and smoke exposure. Its 3-speed fan system provides flexibility for different cooking situations, whether simmering a light meal or handling heavier smoke and steam from high-heat cooking. The dual LED lights brighten the cooking area, making food preparation easier while keeping energy consumption low. A standout feature is the combination of touch controls and remote control functionality, allowing users to adjust settings without needing to stand directly in front of the hood. This added convenience is particularly useful in busy households. Cleaning is also straightforward, thanks to the dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters, which can be removed and washed with minimal effort. The unit supports under-cabinet and wall-mounted installation, offering flexibility for different kitchen layouts. Overall, it delivers a solid mix of performance, convenience, and modern features for everyday cooking environments. No matter your kitchen size or cooking style, choosing the right range hood can make a huge difference in air quality, comfort, and cleanliness. The models featured on this list offer excellent ventilation, practical features, and dependable performance. Pick the one that best matches your needs and enjoy a fresher, more enjoyable cooking experience every day in your home.